Hi guys, I'm Jillian and thank you guys for tuning in. I'm so excited to show you something really cool today. I'm going to show you my new gift that I got, these Tibetan singing bowls I've been wanting for so long, and I'm so excited to share them with you today. The set that I have came with 3 bowls. I have a larger size bowl, a medium size bowl, and a smaller size bowl. Now, if you don't know much about Tibetan singing bowls, they date back to 2000 BC, and they're used a lot in meditation practices and for relaxation and just so many amazing things. The sounds they give off are so beautiful and calming. I think you're really gonna love them. So I'm gonna show you today. They all come on little rester pads, and they all come with corresponding mallets to the size of the bowl. So the bigger the bowl, the bigger the mallet. This set came with 3 different mallets for the 3 different size bowls. You can play them just by chiming them and hearing the beautiful sound, or you could actually make them sing, which is what I'm going to show you today. So when you're playing these bowls, you're going to sit in an upright position, such as meditation position, straight back. You're going to hold the bowl with your palm flat. You want your fingers out. You don't want to be holding the bowl in. You don't want to have your fingers touch the bowl. Like I said, you could strike it first, or you could start just making him sing. So we're gonna use a circular arm motion, and I'm gonna use the suede side of the mallet. You could use either side, but I like the sound this side gives off. So we're gonna start by holding the bowl about solar plexus, and we're gonna take deep breaths and relax, center. I'm gonna start by slowly going around the bowl. And that's the largest bowl. Love the sound, so beautiful. Oh, love it so much. Feels really good too. Now I'm gonna move on to the medium-sized bowl. This one fits really nice in my hand. I like this one a lot. Again, keep your fingers flat. You don't wanna do this, and you don't even wanna do this. It's gonna mess up with the sound. So this is the sound of the medium bowl with the medium-sized mallet. A little bit different than the last one. So we're gonna go and we're gonna make this one sing. Again, straight back. Keep your arm out, fingers flat. That one has a very different sound. Still beautiful and just different tones. Now the smallest bowl has a totally different sound. Pitch is completely different. This one has a totally different mallet too. This one just has a little tiny wooden mallet. And like I said before with the other ones, you could play on the wooden side too, but I prefer the sound. It's more of a warmer sound, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna show you the smallest bowl. Very different sound. Whew. I don't know about you, but I love the sound that those bowls make. And they're so relaxing and such a great part of your meditation practice, and just a great part of relaxing. So if you've never heard of Tibetan singing bowls before, I highly recommend trying them out. They're amazing. And there's also crystal singing bowls that have a different mallet. It's a longer mallet with a round part at the end of it. They create a different sound, but they're beautiful too. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. And also don't forget to click on the bell notification so you could be notified. So thank you guys again for tuning in today. If you have any questions on Tibetan singing bowls, drop them in the comments below and I will get back to you. But for now, I will see you guys soon. Thank you guys again for tuning in. Bye guys. Mwah.